Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Morning traders, hope you're well. It is Thursday the 2nd of June. Guys, we would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below the video. Let us know what you would like to see on the channel. Your comments are greatly appreciated. Guys, we're going to start with a recap of yesterday's trades. Then we're going to look at today's potential trades and the important news for today as well. But let's start with yesterday. We had one potential trade, and it was this. This was the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. And we were shorting this market for these reasons. So price was in a downtrend. Yeah, we had lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then, guys, we were looking at this candlestick here as a potential lower high. Okay, so we had a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern as well. It's in a downtrend, so we were just trying to take price back down to these lows here. Okay, guys, but let's look at H1 to see if we could get in on this trade. So for me, guys, I hope you traded this pair better than I did. All right, so as you can see, guys, this happened before I woke up. So it hit our grey zone and comes storming down. Okay, but this happened and hit our last H1 low. Okay, but this all happened before I was even awake, guys. Okay, so by the time I start trading, it was around here. So price came up. We got this bearish candle here. Okay. It was bearish enough for me to enter. Okay, so I actually entered here. Okay, put my stop just above here. I was just looking to take price back down to this low again. But as you can see, guys, I got stopped out. This candle here, stopped me out. All right, so that was a losing trade for me. As I said, guys, I'm going to be very transparent with you. I'm going to tell you when I had losses, when I had winners, how I traded the pair, if it was a frustrating day, if it was a great day. Yeah, I'll be very transparent with you. Okay, so this one, guys, I got stopped out. All right, no problem. I followed my money management. This will happen. All right. Then I got stopped out only for price to form this, great big negative candle to form. A bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, maybe some of you got in on this candle. Maybe you entered here. Put your stop above the high and then took price back down to these lows. Okay, that would have been a very good trade, guys. You would have got more than a risk to reward of 1:1, and you would still be in the trade for 20%. Okay, guys, so this would have been a very good trade. I hope some of you took this trade. However, I didn't. Okay, again, too transparent, but I'm being transparent with you. So I didn't take this trade, and let me explain why. If we go back to, if we look at the H4 channel, this large candle here, okay, which broke this last high, kept me out of the trade, guys. Once I saw that, it just kept me away from this trade. Okay, I wish it hadn't. Price comes storming down and it would have been a good trade, but I stayed out because of this H4 candle, and H1 structure had broken. It was in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Well, it didn't create a lower low, and then this high was taken out. Okay, so this also kept me out of this trade. All right, guys, so yeah, that was the trade from yesterday, guys. I like I say, I hope you traded it better than I did and had some success with this trade. Please let us know, leave a comment. Okay, let's look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. And also come join us, subscribe to the channel, and then smash the notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every single morning and won't miss any of the analysis. All right, guys, so go ahead and do that. Right, trade ideas for Thursday, the 2nd of June. We've got two DOS ideas for today. The first one is the euro against the Aussie dollar. All right, guys, and the reasons for shorting this are as follows. So price, yeah, was in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but it hasn't created a higher high. And as always, guys, that's a pretty good indication that it's lost this upward momentum, okay? And then price is breaking down. And then sure enough, guys, this important area here, yeah, with these lows here, yeah, this last low eventually gets broke with this candle here. Okay, so yeah, structure was breaking down, and then eventually we got a lower low because these lows here were broken, yeah? Okay, and then all we want to do, guys, because this candlestick is also very bearish, we just want to take price back down to this psychological level at 4,750. Okay, guys, so we're just shorting the market down to this blue line. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's take a look at H1 to see how we can enter this pair. Right, guys, we've got a couple of grey zones that we can look at. So the first one is this. It's already in the grey zone, but we haven't had a bearish candlestick pattern set up yet. But that's what we want to see. Price come into here. We want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. That's always our trigger to enter the trade, take price back down to these lows here, close 80% of the trade, and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. Okay, guys, if that doesn't happen, price could retrace a little further. Okay, could retrace up into this grey zone, which corresponds with these lows here. Okay, then we see a bearish candlestick pattern, we enter, we take price back down to the last H1 lows, close 80%, and again leave 20% to run. Okay, guys, so euro against the Aussie dollar, we're looking to short this market. Next trade idea is this. This is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. There were a few US dollar pair setups, but this was the best one for me. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to short this market. So maybe the US dollar's strength has come back. We shall see. But yeah, we're looking to short this market because it's still in a downtrend, guys. Yeah, so price, as soon as these lows here were broken, yeah, price was in a downtrend. Okay, a very steep downtrend. All right, and the last H1 high is here, and until this is broken, yeah, until this area is broken, we are still in a downtrend. Okay, and then sure enough, price has come back up and reacted at this zone. Yeah, reacted at this zone here. All right, and then for the last 2 days, we've had bearish candles. Okay, let's zoom in and look at these candles in a bit more detail. Yeah, so you're probably asking, why didn't I take this candle the other day? It's because of this wick, guys. Yeah, this wick, there was just too much wick on this candle, but yesterday's candle is more bearish. Okay, it's got a large wick this end, which is okay because it means price is rejected. We have a smaller wick this end, and this low here was broken. So that's why I'm willing to enter on this this candlestick and not this one. Okay, and the idea is just to take price back down to this blue line here at 30. Okay. Okay, so let's look at H1 to see how we can execute the trade. Again, we've got a couple of grey zones, guys. There's actually 3 options here, but let's take a look at them all. So first of all, price could just retrace into here, guys. Yeah, these last highs here. We get a bearish candlestick pattern form, and then we enter the trade and take price back down to this low here. As long as we get a risk to reward of 1:1. If we don't, we'll have to let it run a little bit. Okay. As soon as we get 1:1, close 80% and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. Okay. If that doesn't happen, price could retrace back up to here. Yeah, back up to these highs here. Okay, but again, we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form, enter the trade. I'd probably close out of this last area of support and resistance. Yeah, come down to here, close 80% of the trade, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, so yeah, that's our second option. Our third option is this, guys. Price could sort of break this zone. All right, these last lows. So price could come down, break this last H1 low, come back up, retest it, and then come down to our blue higher time frame target. Okay, guys, so there's a few ways to trade this pair. Okay, all of them are, potentially good trade ideas. Okay, so they're the 2 trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you've enjoyed this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single day, Monday to Friday, then please smash the subscribe button and then smash that notification button. That way, guys, you'll receive it every single day. Right, so news for today, guys. First of all, it's important to point out that it is a bank holiday in the UK. Okay, I believe this is for the Queen's Jubilee. All right, so yeah, God bless the Queen. So yeah, bear in mind, guys, this may make volume a little bit light in the European and UK session. All right, so yeah, bear that in mind. Okay, overnight we had some 3-star rating out of Australia, but that's been and gone. So what we're interested in today, guys, first of all, if I keep scrolling down, is this. At 1:15, this is London GMT. We've got a 3-star rating coming out of the US, and it's non-farm employment change. Okay, so this could move any US dollar pair. 15 minutes later, at 1:30, coming out of the US, we've got initial jobless claims. So again, this could move any US dollar pair. If we carry on down, at 4 o'clock, you can see we've got crude oil inventories coming out of the US, but this also impacts the Canadian dollar as they are highly correlated. Okay, and then after that, guys, as you can see, no other 3-star rating that we're interested in. Okay, guys, so yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a great, amazing, fantastic trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys.